The find the cable. Find the cable. Oh no, we cannot find the cable. Oh. So I finally found it. So today what I'm going to do is a diagnostic of the computer. As you can see everything is together. Here is connected, here is all connected for the CPU, here is connected for the motherboard. So I'm turning the PSU on and trying to turn the computer on. As you can see, nothing is working. It doesn't matter how long or the times that I'm trying to push on the on button, nothing is working. Graphic card out. I have here another graphic card that I'm going to put instead. So the graphic card is in. Putting the graphic card. Turning the PSU on. And nothing is going on. So it doesn't matter how long I push the button or how much I push the button, nothing is happening. Taking this out. And I'm going to take all the RAM out. I'm going to put one RAM that I know that is working and try to put it in only one place. Turning the PSU on and pushing again. Nothing is working. So changing to another connection. PSU on. Nothing is working. Changing to another one. PSU on. Nothing is working. Into the last one. PSU on. Nothing is working. So I know that the problem is not with the RAM. So I can put the other ones. I can put them back. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take the CPU connection out. So the CPU connection is out. Taking also the 24 pin out. And I'm going to do a bypass. So green one, green one, with one of the black, turn it on, and now it's working. As you see, it is working. As you see right now, on the 24 pins, there is a bypass, and it's working. So the fan is spinning. As you saw, the 24 pin is bypass. I am not getting any electricity to the motherboard. The fan is spinning and the lights are on. And also the power supply is on. So I'm thinking that the problem is in the power supply, that it cannot supply enough power to the motherboard.
So I have another PSU.
So I have the 24 pin. Connected to the motherboard. I have the connection for the CPU. Turn it on and try to turn it on. As you can see, fan spinning, everything is working now. So in conclusion, the problem was the power supply. The power supply was not supplying enough power for the computer.
I hope that you liked the video. If you liked the video, put a like. If you dislike the video, put a dislike. Don't forget to leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So have a nice day.